Hello everyone, in this video I will teach you how to fix dev error 5820 in Modern Warfare 3. So as you can see, these are the list of things which you can try in order to make your game work. For me personally, the fourth step work. So basically what I did, I just reduced the number of bots in a lobby. So basically in the first place it was 20 and I reduced it to 15. So this is the thing which worked for me. But before doing that, I restarted the game. So make sure to restart the game. So the number one thing when you face this problem is just restart the game, right? And the number two thing, so the second thing which you can do is just change the host, right? So for example, if you are the host, so make another player your host, maybe your friend, your any other person. So this is a second thing you can do. The third thing is what you can do is just start up the private match over and over again. So basically you have to spam the match. So yeah, I think you got it what I'm trying to say. So if the first and second step didn't work for you, then you can try the third step, which is to start up a private match over and over again. And lastly, you can verify your game files. So if you are on Steam, you can attempt to verify your game files by going to the property menu for Call of Duty in your game tab. After verified my files, I was able to start private match several times in a row without seeing that error. So basically this is the last step. If you have Steam, if you have what Call of Duty on your Steam, there is an option which you can verify the game files. So if your files are corrupted, then in this process the corrupted file will be fixed. So this is how you can do the verification. So there are a lot of videos on the internet, basically how to verify your game files. So if you didn't understand what I'm saying in this video, so you can just type how to verify. So first, before going for this step, first make sure to follow the first 4 steps, right? So if these 4 steps didn't work for you, then lastly do this verification step, right? That's it. Hope your problem gets solved. And yeah, thanks for watching. Have a great day.